All right, good morning, everybody. Today we are gonna look at the market as it stands right now. We are looking at the market overview again. Got a bit of a different background. No worries, I'm still the same old Rick giving you a daily update. So don't worry about that. So the global cryptocurrency market is currently at 931 billion, which is minus 3.1% down from what it was the last 24 hours, which is fine. It's not the worst drop we've ever seen. As for the coins, it is looking a little bit less than yesterday, but overall we're seeing good progress. Ethereum dipped a little bit below $1.1 thousand, which we were at in my last market overview. Bitcoin also dropped a little bit, around 5%, but is still above $20,000. And I'm very pleased to tell you that it never dipped below 20K. So when you guys were nice and sleeping and when you guys were having your breakfast, it all stayed above 20K. So that is very, very nice. The rest of the altcoins are very much red, with a couple of noticeable exceptions. Which are Dogecoin with a 1.3% growth and a weekly growth of 12%. But the biggest exception, of course, is Shiba. Big winner today with a 15.2% growth and a 16% growth over the past week. But as you can see, the 95%, let's say, of the weekly growth can be contributed to the last 24 hours. So that is very interesting. The spike we see over here. So definitely a clear winner here. As the meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba, seem to be doing pretty well today, as the rest of the coins are in the red. Uniswap doing pretty good as well with a 3.5% increase, but a 20% increase over the past week, and Chain with an 8.5%. For the rest, of course, everything is very much in red. Cardano, we're going to be talking about that a lot today, is at minus 7%, which is not very nice. Last market overview, we actually reached 5 cents. We are now again below 5 cents, and there are good reasons why this is happening, and we're going to get into that in a little bit. Okay, as for the fear and greed index, we are finally out of the complete red. We are still in extreme fear, which is to be expected. We are in extreme fear of 11 as of right now, which is fine. My last market overview, we were at 9, and before that as well, at 9. And last week we were around 7 and 10. So 11, this is the, well, let's say the biggest increase, the largest number that we have had for at least more than a week. So again, if we can keep this up, that would be amazing. And let's try to finally climb out of that extreme fear. I'm not sure if we can do it. We'll see. But definitely make sure that you are subscribed and turn notifications on, so you're going to be the first to know if it does. All right, onwards to the news of the day. Now, you guys, again, as you probably are well aware of, I am on my own personal crypto adventure, so I don't know everything yet. And most of the things that I don't know are actually pronunciations. So please go down to the comments and tell me, like, hey, Rick, great content, thanks, but you pronunciations suck. This is how you do it. All right, thanks. At any point, the Cardano developers have delayed some pretty big updates, and that is part of the reason why the price isn't doing so well. The blockchain engineering firm behind Cardano Network has released some disappointing news, announcing a 1-month delay to the long-awaited Vasil upgrade. The Vasil upgrade is set to provide massive performance improvement to Cardano and its smart contract capabilities, according to Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskins. It was previously slated to go through on June 29th. However, the latest estimate is now set for the last week of July. Now, as to my knowledge, it's not the first time Cardano has some pretty big delays, especially when it comes to their smart contracts and the updates to that. So I guess a lot of investors found this very much annoying, and you can definitely see it in the price. Of course, all cryptos are going down, but Cardano is at nearly minus 7%, even though it was doing pretty well yesterday. So probably has some correlation with this. In other news, actually the president of Colombia, the new president, I should say, as he just got elected on, let's say, what's the date? He got elected in, well, somewhere now. He's going to be in office from August 7th, and he seems to be quite the crypto and Bitcoin fanatic. As he tweeted this very beautiful Spanish tweet, which obviously most of us do not understand whatsoever, so I took the liberty to translate that for us. Bitcoin removes power of issuance from the state and the seigniorage? I don't know. Of the currency from the banks. It is a community currency that is based on the trust of those who carry out transactions with it. Since it is based on the blockchain, trust is measured and grows, hence its strength. So you can definitely see by this tweet that he understands the blockchain and crypto. So he's not just tweeting it out just because, right? He's not just saying just to get elected. He definitely does know about what he's talking, and it also shows that he's actually interested and that he actually is a big supporter of it. And as he is now going to be the new president, that might be an indication that from the 7th of August, the Bitcoin prices might give some good results. Again, none of this is financial advice. I myself have absolutely no clue what this is going to be doing for the market. Nor am I incentivizing you to do anything. This is just a quick look at the article and the market. Very interesting stuff. We are going to be keeping a close eye on this story as it progresses. Then last but not least, social networking platform purchases NFT worth 1.24 million as its brand ambassador. So NFTs are still very much booming, and there's been big celebrities, big brands, and now also a big social networking platform that are buying NFTs for ridiculous amounts of money, as you guys are probably well aware of. The article goes on to say that the hype around NFTs is reaching critical mass, with public figures, celebrities like Justin Bieber and Jimmy Fallon, and major businesses putting significant investment into the digital sphere. For many, the action of these parties call into question what all the attraction is about. And an NFT for 1.24 million, that's just worth putting into the video. If you ask me. Anything above 1 million, if it's about an NFT, I like to include it if I see it come across, because that is just a very big amount of money. Then another quick thing that I wanted to point out before the end of this video. Heavily backed crypto exchange Volt laid off 30% of its workforce amidst the crash in crypto prices, taxation fears, and drastic fall in volumes. Money Control reported, citing undisclosed people aware of the matter. The exchange is backed by Valor Ventures, which is a firm co-founded by PayPal founder Peter Thiel, Pantera Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and others. So that is 30% of a workforce. I hope you guys understand how much that is. So it definitely shows that the bear market is getting to a lot of companies, and it is worth mentioning because there's a lot of people that use Volt. And what is this going to mean for the company? We don't know. Hopefully they're going to be okay. Hopefully the people that got laid off will be okay. But yeah, definitely harsh times for everyone in the ecosystem. Hard times for everyone, really. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching to this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video and leave a comment down below. I try to make daily content for you guys looking at the market, and soon there's more content coming as well, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Join our Discord, link is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.